ki khubor ki babania. Myntri rangba ke jilla Meghalaya u Conrad ke sangma bat Myntri katana donor u Jyotiraditya Scindia henen ke sngi kilapen bana ya ke jingsdang bante ya ke skywalk project ha mokdok kabadon ha East KHASI Hills ha katamasa Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival. Habapen bana ya ke jing play ya ke Japan Arena ha ka Cherry Blossom Festival Myntri katana donor u Jyotiraditya Scindia ula ong ba udap da ke jing kemen ban yoi ba ka Cherry Blossom Festival kadon ha padeng ke jing pen thamai ulai Khublei ya ke Japan halor ke jing ade ke bajan bar ke India habapen pau ba ka sarkar ka thmu ban kintieu ya ke jing pen pau nam ya ke jilla Meghalaya syaka perthei Myntri rang ba ula ong ba ke jing atrei lang ba ke Japan kalong ka ba kerpang bat kan kintieu ya ke neka tamasa.
To thank our partners from Japan for partnering with us to make this particular arena and take the festival in fact to a new level and make it very, very special. And this partnership is really special for us. So thank you so much.
Our partners from Japan, it's great to be here in Meghalaya, great to be here in Shillong, and just to see this vibrancy and this energy. I'm really glad that the Cherry Blossom Festival today is taking on new manifold proportions. I'd like to thank Japan for their relationship, warm, close, familial with India. And